Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your ultimate guide to navigating the tech world one tap at a time. Today, we are answering a common question: how to scan a document to your phone. Here is a quick overview of what we will dash through. 1. Built-in camera and Google Drive. 2. Third-party app. 3. Microsoft Office Lens. Let us get scanning. 1. Using the built-in camera and Google Drive. Open the camera app on your Android phone. You know the drill. It is time to turn your phone into a scanning machine. Align the document within the camera frame and capture a clear photo. Channel your inner photographer. Keep that hand steady. This isn't a selfie contest. Open the Google Drive app. Tap the plus sign at the bottom right. Then select Scan Now. This is where the magic happens. It is like Google Drive is saying, "Hey, I can do that too." Take a photo of your document using the app, and it will automatically be saved as a PDF in Google Drive. Your document is now a fancy PDF, safely tucked away in Google Drive, where it will probably never be looked at again. 2. Using a third-party document scanner app. Go to the Play Store, search the Cam Scanner, and click this one, and then install it. Open the app and click the Smart Scan in the upper left corner, because you are about to get really smart with this document. Let the app take a peek of your masterpiece. Then, once you have adjusted it to perfection, just click Next, because why take longer when you have already got it all figured out? As you can see, different filters are available here, and you can choose one, and right now, let me choose this filter because it is good for the eyes. Save the scanned document to your phone or cloud storage directly from the app by clicking this three-dotted line, and we have a lot of options here. You can import the image, edit it into a PDF file, Word, and even print it. But this time, let me choose to save it to my gallery. 3. Using Microsoft Office Lens. Get Office Lens from the Play Store because your phone can do more than just send memes. Open the app, pick your scanning mode, and snap that photo like you are in a high-tech spy movie. The app automatically detects the edges and enhances the scan. You can then save it to OneDrive, OneNote, or your phone. And there you have it. 3 ways to scan a document to your phone. Whether you are using the built-in camera and Google Drive, a third-party app like Cam Scanner, or going the extra mile with Microsoft Office Lens, you'll be scanning documents like a pro in no time. Just remember, scanning is easy. Keeping those files organized, that's the real challenge. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And hey, which method do you think works better for you? Let us know in the comments section below. And maybe even share this with a friend who is always looking for a quicker way to scan documents. Until next time, keep updating and stay connected with Wireless Solutions. Bye for now.